Hello बच्चों, let's read the question and the question says which of the following is green expanded part of leaf with vein and winglet. इनमें से कौन सा लीफ का ऐसा पार्ट है जो ग्रीन एक्सपेंडेड पार्ट होता है विद वेन और वेनलेट. We have four options here. First petiole, second node, third stipule, fourth lamina. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट है, key concept for this question is different part of leaf. Different parts of leaf. Different parts of leaf. Let's read the options again. First one is petiole. First one is petiole. Petiole is a stalk that connects the blade with the leaf base. Connect blade with the leaf base. Blade with the leaf base. It is a stalk that connects blade with the leaf base. Second one is node. Second one is node. So node is a point on the stem where leaf buds are originated. This is a point on stem where bud leaves are originated. Third one is stipule. Third one is stipule. Stipule is a small leaf-like structure on the base of leaf. It is a small leaf-like structure. Leaf-like structure on the base of leaf. On the base of leaf. Last one is lamina. Last one is lamina. So what is lamina? Lamina is a green flat part of leaf with vein and winglet. It is a green flat part of leaf. Green flat part of leaf with vein and winglet. Vein and winglet. Let's assume कि this is a structure of a leaf. This is a structure of leaf. This is a structure of a leaf, and this is a stem. इस stem से ये leaf connected है, and this part of leaf is called lamina. So this part of leaf is called lamina. जो ग्रीन पार्ट होता है लीफ का एक्सपेंडेड फ्लैट, उसे लेमिना कहा जाता है. और दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड नोड, एंड दिस इज petiole. This is petiole, and there is small leaf-like structure on the base of leaf is called stipule. This is stipule. This is node. This is petiole. This is stipule, and this is lamina of a leaf, जिसके अंदर ये छोटी छोटी वेन्स और वेनलेट्स लोकेटेड होती है. So our right answer for this question will be option D. Lamina is a green expanded part of leaf. I hope you understand the concept. Best of luck.